Hi guys, welcome back to Ssakhee and welcome if you're new here. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my date night glam up routine. Valentine is over, but date night can happen any day. So yeah, today I'll be sharing the rose range from WoW that I'm using from last 15 to 20 days. So yeah. So these are the two products that I have received. One is the WoW Himalayan Rose Foaming Face Wash and another is the Pink Rose Clay Face Mask. The WoW Face Wash has a built-in face brush for deep cleansing and I love using it it really exfoliate and cleanse my skin. WoW is completely natural. It has no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone, no synthetic color. So yeah, thumbs up for that. And you can see my cleansed face. So the next step is the clay face mask. This face mask has a rose particles in it and the fragrance is, oh my god, really beautiful. So I'll apply this all over my face and let it sit for at least 10 minutes, and after that I'll wash it off while rubbing my face, and you can see the afterglow. I love it. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do let me know if you are going to try this, and let me know what you want to see in my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.